Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Friends channel. This channel discusses all about health. I hope may we all always be in good health. In this video, we will tell you about 7 exercises to increase breast size in 10 days at home. Women take breasts very seriously. They symbolize femininity and distinguish us from our male counterparts. Do breast exercises really work? This workout plan is safe, and an economical alternative to expensive surgeries and invasive breast-enhancing techniques. You can try them at home every day to attain the desired results. Ready to show off your voluminous bustline? The following are 7 exercises to increase breast size in 10 days at home. Number 1. Bench press. Does bench press make your breast bigger? The bench press is an effective way to increase your breast size. Technically, it doesn't have any impact on your cup size but works on your pectoral muscles. Bench press workouts tone these muscles and push them forward to enhance the overall chest size. To perform a bench press, you need a proper bench and a heavy weight secured tightly. Align yourself to the bench with your front facing upwards. Make sure the hips, spine and neck are aligned to the bench. Now with the weight in front of you, lift the weight by stretching your arms and bring them all the way down to your chin level, but don't let it touch your body. As the weight comes down, your arms are pushed back, causing a tug at your chest muscles. Number 2. Push-ups. Does doing push-ups make your breasts bigger? If you thought push-ups are only for toning your arms, you are so wrong. These easy exercises can tone your chest and help you attain bigger breasts. You don't even need special equipment to do this exercise. A little corner in your room is sufficient for this workout. Do note that when performed with cardio and other fat-reducing exercises, push-ups may lead to smaller breasts. Steps to perform. Lie flat on the stomach, and place your palms next to your shoulder. Ensure that the toes touch the ground. Slowly push your body up and keep the knees straight. Repeat this process for about 5 times in one stretch. Increase the count to 15 times to get the best results. Number 3. The towel workout. This workout aims to use household items to create a contraction in your chest and increase the size of your pectoral muscles. It is done rhythmically to target only the chest area, without involving other muscle groups. It is one of the best exercises to increase breast size effectively. Steps to perform. For this you will need a simple towel, even a hand towel will do. Stand with your arms outstretched and shoulders wide. Now pull and tug at both ends of the towel, causing a contraction of the muscles. Hold this position for 20 seconds and breathe slowly. Slowly get back to the starting position and resume the process after a short break. Number 4. The Cobra Pose or Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana or the Cobra Pose gets its name from the raised hood posture of a snake. It falls under the basic asanas and stretches your chest area. By promoting better blood circulation, the pose also strengthens the breast muscles and aids in their growth with time. Steps to perform. Lie down on your front with your arms on either side of your body. Now lift your arms up and using the palm lift up your upper body, inflating your chest as you bend your head up. Slowly get back to the original position. Repeat it 6 times a day. Number 5. Lateral plank walk. The lateral plank walk is an effective exercise to increase breast size and tone the pectoral muscles. Although it's slightly difficult to perform, the results are worth the effort. In this exercise, you first maintain the plank position and move laterally on the ground. The crossing of your arms can strengthen the bust muscles, and also improve your core as well. Steps to perform. Lie down and place your forearms on the ground and the elbows below your shoulder. Flex your feet to make your toes touch the floor. Make sure your body is in a straight line. Now cross your right hand onto the left side. Move your left foot 1 step to the left simultaneously. Shift the left hand and the right foot to get into the plank position again. Repeat the process up to 3 steps. You can do a reverse of this exercise to move in the opposite direction. Number 6. Chest fly. Chest fly helps in toning your breast muscles by moving your arms in and out. The exercise involves weights which offer the right resistance to contract the pectoral muscles. Along with an improvement in your bust size, it also tones your biceps and triceps. Steps to perform. You need to lie on a workout bench, keeping your feet straight on the ground, touching it. Then hold weights with your palms and slowly lift your hands on the air. Let your hands remain above the chest for a few seconds, and slowly lower the hands, maintaining an arc movement. Stop the hands at the shoulder level, then slowly out the weights down. Repeat the same thing 3 to 5 times. Number 7. Arm circles. Arm circles are a great way to perk up your breasts. A synchronized movement of your arms pulls the pectoral muscles in an upward direction and lift up your breasts. This exercise can also tone your arms and the upper body. Adding weights to your arms can enhance the benefits of this workout. Steps to perform. Stretch your arms outward. Move your arms in small circles in a clockwise direction. Do it for a minute. Repeat the same in an anti-clockwise direction. You can treat this as one set and do it for 2 to 3 sets. Tips to increase breast size at home. Invest in padded bras which can temporarily control the sagging, and give the illusion of a larger cup size. Massage your breasts with good oil, to improve blood circulation in the area and allow. Do not wear too tight clothes that can restrict your breasts from growing. You are what you eat. So, don't compromise on your diet, and include plenty of estrogen-high foods like milk, nuts, green leafy vegetables and soya. If you have any more exercises to increase breast size, do let us know in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.